So, back in the garage today, we're doing a little sand blasting, glass beading. I get some wheels for the minivan, some cheap wheels I picked up cheap on Marketplace. They're kind of big for my regular blast cabinet, which is, I don't know, buried over there somewhere. So I whipped this up out of like scrap wood, and here's where it is. So I didn't seal it. I was gonna go around it with some like Gorilla Tape or something, but it leaked out a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, I only did a little bit, but yeah, let's get blasting. So, good initial run. I mean, there's still a couple of spots that could use it going over, but it'll be good. I'm gonna powder coat these, like black or something. But as you can see what they look like, shiny. They weren't terrible, but there's some clear coat starting to peel around the lug nuts and stuff. So yeah, what better to give it a shot, try it out, right? Cool. 3 more to go. Just a little comparison.